Have you ever wondered how vital pollinators are to our ecosystem? These hidden heroes, which include bees, butterflies, birds, and bats, play an indispensable role in nature's symphony. Now, let's dive deeper into understanding these different types of pollinators. Bees and butterflies, the little artists of nature, play a significant role in pollination. These tiny creatures flutter and buzz from flower to flower, transferring pollen, ensuring that plants produce fruit and seeds. Bees, in particular, are drawn to plants like sunflowers, their bright yellow petals acting like a beacon. Butterflies, on the other hand, find milkweed irresistible, its nectar providing essential nutrients. So planting these in your garden can help attract these beautiful pollinators. Did you know that birds and bats are also essential pollinators? Birds, like hummingbirds, are attracted to brightly colored flowers, sipping nectar and transferring pollen in the process. Bats, on the other hand, are nocturnal pollinators. They're drawn to night-blooming plants, feeding on their nectar and pollinating them. You can attract these creatures with specific plants and feeders, such as hummingbird feeders for the birds and night-blooming flowers for the bats. By incorporating these elements into your garden, you can support these flying pollinators. Creating a pollinator-friendly garden is not just about aesthetic appeal. It's about being part of a bigger picture, a grand scheme. It's about supporting the tiny yet mighty pollinators that hold the reins of our ecosystem. By hosting these creatures, your garden becomes a hub of life, contributing to biodiversity and playing a crucial role in the survival of various plant species. It's about fostering life, promoting growth, and ensuring the continued existence of our planet's natural beauty. So your garden can become a sanctuary for these vital creatures. Supporting pollinators is a step towards a healthier ecosystem. Let's attract bees, butterflies, and more into our gardens, making them thrive. Remember to hit the like button if you found this information useful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and insights. Together, we can make a difference.